Innovation is the cornerstone of success in America. In order to compete in the global marketplace, businesses and individuals are continuously striving to stay ahead of the game. I'm Terry Bradshaw. You know, from emerging technologies and financial strategies to the latest healthcare developments, you would be surprised by the many factors coming into play. Welcome to Today in America. Charting the energy future is a matter of weighing the possibilities of a number of different energy sources. Let's explore one story with the potential to revolutionize the energy industry. Most businesses, like most homes, derive their electricity from the local power grid. All power generators create more than electricity. At the same time, they produce a significant amount of heat. As in most things mankind does, we just vent that excess heat into the air, wasting a valuable commodity and adding to our carbon footprint. A cogeneration plant simply captures and exploits the heat instead of letting it go unused. Any generator without the capacity of recovering that excess heat and making it available to users is nothing short of wasteful. Wasted energy means wasted money and an unnecessary burden on the environment. There is a better way.
First, cogen delivers cheaper energy. Our clients have a break of 10 to 20% on the price. We also deliver more energy. We're able to recycle the heat from the machines into the building for heating and cooling. Also, cogen is cleaner. We burn half of the carbon dioxide than the other energy sources like coal or oil. We also fit our exhaust with catalytic converters that will capture about 90% of that CO2.
A cogenerator that produces electricity and heat can be sold to nearby users. In the process of making electricity, all power generators produce heat, so a heat exchanger is used to recover waste heat from the engine as well as the exhaust gas. This heat can produce a supply of hot water or steam, and through a simple process, it can actually be used to chill water as well, which in turn can serve as a coolant.
We select buildings based on their load profiles. Sites with large electrical and thermal loads benefit most from our cogeneration plants. 808 can install new equipment or retrofit distressed assets already in place. We start with engineering surveys, arrange interconnection agreements with the utilities, and then move to actual electrical and mechanical work using our own staff and specialized outside contractors.
808 Renewable Energy can orchestrate the installation of one or more cogenerators on the property with no financial outlay on part of the building owner. The owner merely contracts to buy the power from this source for a term of 15 years or more. Third-party investors finance the setup, and 808 manages the installation going forward.
We at 808 have found that the market is always interested in investing in clean energy products like that associated with cogeneration. One of the big benefits to cogeneration is that it's powered by natural gas, and America has a huge supply of natural gas, which allows us to provide that power without dependence on foreign oil. We're currently looking for the right investors that are interested in hard assets that produce cash flow and tax benefits associated with a long-term power purchase agreement to allow us to build capacity and help us keep our dependence off foreign oil.
The cogeneration method is 92% energy efficient, resulting in a 10-30% cost savings over producing electricity and heat individually using conventional methods. Individual investors realize a high return on their investment thanks to substantial tax incentives from federal renewable energy programs. The building owner benefits from reduced power rates along with the designation of a green business. As well as being environmentally responsible, this program is an important step toward obtaining LEED certification for the building. The company's initial goal is to install 100 of these cogeneration projects across the country.
Well, each investor buys a part of the company. As such, they own shares and receive dividends. Our short-term goal is to achieve 10 megawatts of production online by this summer, at which point 808 will be profitable. It is the equivalent of 9,000 less cars on the road. Our longer-term goal is to achieve 25 megawatts of capacity by 2012.